And well, the Pentagon has reported fresh cases of the virus as well from the U.S. military outpost. Now, within the U.S. forces, it has spread across the globe. Remember, the U.S. military is all over the world. Now, the possibility of more cases has not been ruled out. 3 U.S. soldiers tested positive for the virus. An active duty member was found infected with the U.S. last week. 2 fresh cases have surfaced from Europe and Korea. Besides, 6 civilians at different military bases have been diagnosed with the virus.
So if you remember on Thursday, I think at that point I told you we had 1 confirmed active duty. So we now have 3 confirmed active duty. There's the active duty member in Korea, the one that was mentioned previously here in the United States, and then there's 1 in Europe also who have been diagnosed with coronavirus. In addition, we have 1 civil servant who's been diagnosed with coronavirus, 4 dependents, and 1 contractor, all at various locations. All are doing well at this point based on the clinical updates that we've received from them or from the locations where they're being treated.
And well, at this point, even the Pentagon believes that the numbers could only increase. The coronavirus outbreak has spread to most countries, and the U.S. forces have a significant presence across large parts of the globe.
I think that it is likely, given what we're seeing around the world and the fact that we have people all over the world, that there are more than 9 people affiliated with the Department of Defense. Whether it's 10 or 21, I would be guessing at this point. But yes, I think that it is likely that the number is higher.
And currently 143 samples have arrived for testing at 13 Department of Defense labs. 6 people are under evaluation. The challenge before Pentagon is to contain the spread.
And the vaccine development is likely going to be the longest. That typically takes months and sometimes years to develop a safe and effective vaccine. The medical countermeasures, right now we're trying a variety of medications and testing them in different scenarios.